Are your current boundaries helpful or harmful? Did you create them from a place of love or out of fear? There is a huge difference between that. So, let's see. Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing. And today we are going to talk about my thoughts on protecting your spiritual energy and setting up healthy boundaries, or what we sometimes call shields. When we hear the word boundaries, we can think of many things, from border walls to mutual respect for one's privacy, to work on our spiritual self and work on our growth. My goal for today is to help you to explore the spiritual realms, to heal, to move forward in balance on your path with clearer sight, and so that you feel safe in order to do that. As we become more mindful and we work on our own spiritual growth, our energy, our energy field, and our aura or chakras become brighter. It's kind of like washing off the windows on the beacon of a lighthouse. That lighthouse begins to glow, especially if we are coming from a place of love and of compassion. Many people believe that this glow or this brighter energy can attract the attention of spirits that hang out in the between spaces, in the ether. And these spirits can be positive spirits, or perhaps negative spirits, or just neutral. But the light attracts their attention. And this is a reason to make sure that we continue to work in a mindful way. But it is not something that should cause us any fear. Our protective energies, or shields that we place around ourselves, should always be created and come from this place of love. This can be done in a very simple way, by connecting to the energy of the earth below us and to the center of the universe, or what most people call source. Our heart chakra is the center of our energy body. It is the middle chakra, and it is also the center of our connection with all things. And we often call this state of connectedness grounding and centering. Radiating love with this source energy flowing through out from our heart center creates a shield around us. And as long as we are grounded and centered, this shield is just always there. It is part of our natural energy body. Some people refer to it as a Merkaba. And when we are in balance, it is just there. There are also tools like actinolite and quartz crystals that can help us to enhance our energy field by reminding us that it is there. These tools help us to shift our attention and to become more aware of our energy shield. This is a much healthier way of protecting ourselves daily. When we throw up walls or blockages out of fear as a reaction to being hurt by someone, it creates breaks and even further blockages in our own energy. We can also block our connection to source, and that causes us to become very off balance, which can even lead to disease, depression, and anxiety. What kind of boundaries and protection do you want to use? I choose to be proactive. When I set wards or protections around myself or around my house using black salt or other spiritual tools, I always do that in a positive mindset while projecting love or compassion. I'm not setting up those wards because I'm afraid of something. My intentions also come from a place of compassion. And you can check out my video on intention if you need help with learning how to set proper intentions. Coming from a place of compassion is a very effective way to think about working with others as well. If we are always connected and grounded and centered and sending out love and healing energies, we are more aware of our own energy. We're not absorbing other people's energy. We are not using our personal energy to help to heal others. We are using universal life force energy to do that. So trust your gut instinct. You will always be alerted if something is off. If you come in contact with an energy vampire or an abusive person, you will feel those red flags. But be proactive about it. Be aware of your own energy. Be mindful of the flow. And the more we become aware of our own energy, the more we become aware of other energies as being both connected to our own energy, but also a little bit separate. We are all one. We are all connected, but some of us vibrate at different levels, and that's how you figure it out. The more mindful that we become, and the more that we are able to learn to pay attention to all of the energies that are around us. I hope that this helps you to think about your mindset and how mindfulness can help you to stay balanced, and how important it is to stay connected and to always come from a place of love and heart-centeredness, in compassion in all of your spiritual workings. This is also vital to your own spiritual growth and your own healing. It will truly help to be updated about new articles, classes, store updates, flash sales in the shop, and to grab a 20% off coupon. You should join the Transformational Healing Tribe email list, and you can sign up by going to transformationalhealing.dawna.com/tribe. Many blessings, tribe, and until next week, stay safe and stay healthy. Blessings to you.